Hey you guys, so today I just want to show you how I'm going to create a DIY area rug in my kids' room from Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, my name is Anita from zthewham.com, and I talk about all things motherhood, and I also do random simple DIYs. So this is definitely going to be a simple DIY area rug, and this is the rug you will need to find at Dollar Tree. I have 3 different Dollar Trees that are close to me, and only one of them had this rug. So you may have to look around, or you could even call around. So the only thing you really need for this project are scissors and a hot glue gun. That's pretty much it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut the tag off. Out, and I'm actually going to take all of these tassels off on the middle and glue these end pieces together. Now when you get Dollar Tree rugs, they will not come all in the same size, so unfortunately you'll just have to make do. But once I get all these tassels off, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So I want to show you what it looks like with the tassels off. And this is how it'll look, and also just how I'm taking the tassels off. You can pull the knots out with your scissors if you want to do it that way and cut them, but I discovered from doing it, it's just best to cut right at the base and just cut the entire tassel off, and that makes this go by so much faster. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna continue to do that all the way up to the other rugs up there, and I'll come back. Okay, so I finished taking all the tassels off down the middle, but as I stated before, most of these rugs are really not the same size. So this one here is super long, so what we're gonna do is fold it back and make it line up with this rug back here, and that's what I did on this one. So as you can see, and it helps it look seamless when you do that. So now I'm just gonna glue this down right here, and then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So I'll show you what that looks like. So a little bit at a time as I go. I'll glue it directly on that other piece. So I'm just going to continue gluing all the way down, and you guys be careful not to burn your fingers because hot glue hurts really bad. So I'll keep going all the way down, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have the rug glued all the way down, nice seam, and you guys be careful not to glue your carpet. You might want to put something down before you glue. I forgot to say that. But now that it's glued together, I'm going to trim some of this excess in the back just so that it can lay down even more. You don't have to, but I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue the other 2 mats together, and I'll be back. Okay, so I trimmed some of the excess on the back side, and I'm just gonna secure it even more by adding a little hot glue on the back, just to help it flatten out even more. And once you get this hot glue on here, it sticks very, very well, so you won't have to worry about this coming up at any point. And that's all I'm gonna do all the way down, and then I'll move on to my next rug. Okay, so now that I have these 2 rugs here together, I want to line up how these two will go together. So I'm going to line these two up, and I'm going to glue these two together. So those two will get glued together, and this one is super long. If you can see that, it's way past it. So we're going to do the same thing we did on that side. I'm going to line them up just like that, and that's a lot of excess, so we'll just have to fold a good bit, and it'll still look pretty good once we get it glued. So that's all I'm doing right now. Just trying to get my seams together. Okay. And because this is the rug is so off, I'm just gonna kind of squish it together to make it line up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and glue that together just like that. I'll show you that right now. I'll start with that corner to help guide me. And I'll just keep going all the way down, guys, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Got that corner. And I want to show you close up how I'm going to do this part. Okay, so with these, I'm literally just going to put some glue on the edge. Just on the edge, just like that. And just push them together. Because I want this to lay pretty flat. Okay. So much glue on my hands. Okay, let's see if I can get a little closer. If you have hardwoods, be very careful. Again, you may need to put something down to protect them first. But I'm just not too concerned with it. With my carpet. That's looking pretty good. That's looking really seamless. So I'll continue that all the way down and I'll come back. Okay, so this seam is glued down and it looks really good. And now we just have to glue down this side and also the folded part. And I already glued the tip to give me an idea. So I'm gonna glue this part down and I'll come back and show the finished product. So I just wanted to show you what I'm doing just in case you have the problem I'm having where this part of the rug is really still longer. All I'm doing is stretching this part out and pulling as I glue. So let me show you. So going down. And we're pulling as we go. And that's going to help it line up once we get to the end. Going down and pulling. Okay. So here I'm just doing the last little bit. Again, just showing you how. And this glue is holding up really good. I'm so happy because I did not want to have to sew this together, because I don't have a sewing machine and I don't really know how to use one, so that would have taken forever doing it by hand. Thank God for hot glue. Okay. Oh, and the colors they come in is this green and white, and this is like, it's hard to tell, but this is like a dark gray and white. They also have a black and white, and then the tan and white. So I just wanted it to be a little different. That's why I put these colors together, but you can do whatever colors you think will look good in the area you're using it for. And again, this is for my kids' room, so it's kind of like it's right by their bookshelf, so it's like a little reading area. I thought it would be cute. Alright. We are done. Let's get this last little bit glued down. There we go. I'll come back. So I just flipped the rug over and I have all that excess. I just want to cut that off because I just want the rug to sit as flat as possible, as I mentioned before. So I figured I'd just show you real quick how I did that. Just cutting all the way down that seam. Just going to keep cutting until I get to the end, making sure not to cut the actual rug because that would be a disaster. All right. And again, I'm just gonna throw a little glue on this side like I did over here to make it so flat like that. And that's it, and I'll come back and show the finished product. All right, you guys, the rug is complete. It's so cute. I really like how it came out. It's not perfect, but it's perfect for my kids' room. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications when I post more videos. Until next time, I'll see you.